You will be amazed by this 2016 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Peace of mind is a beautiful thing. You'll enjoy that and more when you drive away in the Honda Odyssey. Take it out for a road test today.